Hi, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to Becks Fashion Tutorial. I'm a fashion designer by profession. I'm based in London, Stratford. I've been doing fashion design for almost 30 years of my life. I think it's about time I have to share what is inside me so that people will know what I do. It's beautiful to know the basic things in designing. I remember when I was a child, my mom was the one that put that design inside me. We used to learn how to do your buttons, small alterations and all that. This summer, it's a lockdown. I want you to pick your old sewing machines and all your fabrics you have. We are going to learn basic things about fashion. You and your children will get yourself busy. We're gonna learn how to make skirts. We're gonna learn how to make tops, how to make simple wrap dresses for offices, summer, holidays, children, things. Please, I want you to join me weeks ahead to learn these basic things. And it's so beautiful if you can make your own pencil skirts and your own pleated skirt and your own gathered skirts and your wrap dresses. I do freehand cuts. Freehand cut. Most people do pattern, but I do freehand cut. And freehand cutting is such a beautiful thing to know. When you know how to do freehand cut, it gives you extra allowances. When you put on or lose weight, you can open it and use it again over and over. And some of the skirts, you don't need only African fabric to do it. You can use any fabric. You will need tape measure. Tape measure, we have two sides of tape measure, inches and centimeters. Then you need your pin box. You get ready for your pins because most of the things we will pin it before we start making them. Then you need your scissors. You need your chalk. Chalk, we're gonna mark different places. You can even do that one with pens. Subscribe it, like it, and share with your friends.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.